Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this is going to be a higher low, higher low. I still think this is going to go up and complete this ABC of wave Y, which I still think needs to take it up above these highs before we do see a bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave B right here of this wave Y. So A of Y, B of Y, and we should be in a wave C of Y. That means that this would be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, and I still think this is likely to go up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave Y, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely pretty convinced that this is the bottom down here. I think this is 5 waves up, wave 1. I think this is a big ABC correction, wave 2, 78% fib bounce. I personally think this will end up breaking out of these highs. I think it is going to likely just keep on trending up. I think we are likely in a wave 3 of wave C already. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it looks like we already have the end of an ABC correction right here. Definitely 3 waves down, definitely a Fibonacci bounce. If that right there is the end of a correction, then this actually should continue to make higher highs, higher lows. I do think that the trend is up on the higher time frame, so even if it doesn't continue up from here and maybe it does go down again, I either way will be looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, kind of looks like the correction may be already over in my opinion. Kind of looks like impulsive down wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B, kind of 3 waves down, which is why I'd like to call it a WXY, but it's not really a WXY because that's definitely impulsive, wave A. This is more like a 1, 2, 3 pattern, but I would say it's a wave C, 61.8, nice breaker structure. I think the trend is up. Maybe it is going to make some pullbacks along the way. Today is Monday, so things could definitely slow down a little bit on Mondays. But I think it is likely that this is the end of an ABC back here. That would make this like a wave 1. That would probably be an ABC of 2, and most likely go up for a wave 3. So I personally am definitely looking for long entries at the end of any pullbacks I see for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions and gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.